Wow.
You're doing great.
First of all, that was
I was
hurtful.
kidding, Andrew.
Welcome to Blake's Apple Orchard. All right, we're at the U-Pick thing. All right, everybody give me your money.
I did bring a mask because Kobe's out.
Put apples in it.
We have to get $20 worth.
Money bags over here, Callie.
Yeah, it's $27 for one full bag. So you
I'm not a stripper.
Sorry.
Oh, you can see it move.
It's like slow-mo.
What are you talking about? Are you guys messing around back there?
No.
Yeah, some quality content.
Thank you.
Oh, there it goes again.
Delicious,
Golden
red
Delicious are the
delicious.
best.
No, I want red delicious.
Red Delicious.
Allie,
Stop it, Red
If
Delicious.
they have
Get outta here.
But I don't think I saw it on there.
She likes red
Who's got
delicious.
the camera?
Grade them at the end, which is
Yeah, because look, we're gonna fill up 2 bags because that is 40, almost 50. That's $50.
and then we eat the bag.
We have $50.
No, I'm kidding.
Okay, I'm kind of hungry, so let's just eat all of it.
So no, Justin just chucked an apple across the orchard. Probably killed
I
someone.
didn't hit anybody, so I have to.
Probably killed somebody. Oh, we got one.
That's like
That's
purple.
not that good of one.
Don't.
You're about to shake it down.
Got it.
Why don't they have ladders out here?
Was that worth it?
Oh, that's mine. Wow.
It's yours.
Blake's Apple Orchard. Definitely come not on a weekend. Now she's throwing apples. This is not a disaster.
I threw it by the stem. I'll throw this one. Yeah.
No, don't throw them.
Far I can throw.
No.
You can vlog it.
But the best part about coming right now is that there's like not bees flying everywhere. I gotta give him like some knowledge. My video has to be useful. So I'm telling him the do's and don'ts of Blake's Apples Orchard. Hold on, stop moving.
A ladder is like a real one.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's right.
We're trying to figure out what apples to keep.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
It's like a traditional apple.
Take a picture of me.
No.
Oh, right.
Justin thinks these apples, red Rome, basic apples. Dentures or anything else?
Yours was soft.
Red Rome.
Yeah, it was really
My
soft,
bottom
yeah.
lip's like bleeding.
What?
Obviously someone's eating a rotten apple. I think I know who it is. We want to go to Fuji. Logan's mad because they have no Macintosh.
I'm not mad, Andrew.
He's
Just disappointed.
disappointed. Blake's. Get it together. Let's go.
Jokes with Justin.
There you go. Jokes, Justin. Here you go.
Why did the whale cross the ocean?
To get to the other side.
No. To get to the other tide.
Are you kidding me?
All right, that's all we have for jokes with Justin. Back to Andrew.
That was it.
I literally.
All right. Do we want any more apples? We're almost full.
Nope.
Oh.
Look at that. We got some good apples here. I just wasted one. Just wasted one. We're full.
Yeah, is our
2 bags. Wow. All right. Let's see Logan do it.
I don't know if how did you do it?
Come on, Logan.
Which way did you go?
You're getting a video of all
God.
3 of us ripping an apple.
Okay. Didn't even break.
Twisted my hand. I'm ripping in half.
Oh,
I don't
it hurt. You try. It's freaking hard.
How'd you do the first one? Yeah, these are really hard to get your thumbs in.
Oh, I'm gonna do it. Ready? Are you ready? I'm about to do it. Crap.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, dang it.
No, Logan got it.
I just twisted like
But
a
who's
bomb.
next?
I'm not trying. I'm trying to actually.
Come on, babe. It's cracking.
Ow!
Alright, you ready? I'm about to do it.
You guys use your whole hand. I'm just using my finger.
Wait, I think Here.
I think I used all my energy on the first one.
That was pretty impressive. how
Oh,
you did
gosh
it.
darn it!
I cracked the first one easy.
I have nails on
My
now.
finger literally hurts so bad from cracking up.
Fall
I'm
off.
like using my
Okay, you ready?
like not
My hands are wet
knuckles,
now,
but
so-
like
Oh, what the heck?
Justin's just like pressing his.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Freaking bro.
My hands hurt.
I know I'm like using right here, but like it's not working.
I just had to like almost.
as it took it like that and just
Yeah, that I feel like. Oh, you twisted it.
yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of what I did, and then
Oh.
finally
They're cheating.
cracked. Don't stop.
Let me see that one.
Here.
I got it!
Apart.
What did you do? I watched you.
Look at, see?
She got a knife
Picked
out.
up the one from the ground that was already
Ready?
cracked.
Logan's gonna do it again.
I got it.
How are you doing?
Look, Maddie, I got it.
Picked up the one from the ground.
Look at Allie doing all the work. Andrew's out here breaking
Oh
apples.
my goodness.
That's the real man.
Let's get 10 minutes of ground shots.
Please no.
I put it in that.
Can't take these kids anywhere.
I broke it! Jay, you missed
He's
it.
gonna
I broke
pop
it.
right at us.
Look at all these good.
All right, well, we're full on apples,
Thank God.
and it's time to go see if we can get.
Donuts.
If we can. I hope they're still open. Okay, now it's time to go pay an arm and a leg for these apples. And donuts and cider. We can still get that.
Where's the...
Guess we're not going to the
How
entrance.
fast could I clear this place out by coffee?
Not very fast. I'm sure there's already been some coffee.
Oh, he's recording. Shoot.
Gotcha again, Logan.
Okay, what in the heck? Yeah,
We're almost in. How is everybody
We're
so
almost
excited? So exciting. Look at that.
Stay right here. I'll go check over there. Save all this.
The bottle is right in front of us. What? Let's take one on a factory tour.
The best cider ever.
Andrew, stop filming the cloud.
Look at though. It's a cider press.
They just squish apples in there. Isn't that crazy? Is that crazy? Mission accomplished. Cider and donuts acquired.
Exciting.
Bathroom actually. All I have to say is we finally got our tickets after standing in line for 2 hours. Right? About only to find out that we're timed. Also, karaoke's killing it. Thoughts on karaoke?
3 out of 10. That's generous.
Killing it, as I said. Yeah, we're stuck in till midnight probably. Just wanted to make a quick little aside. We tried recording stuff at night and it didn't work. So what you see is what basically all that the camera could capture. So it'll just be some little clips here and there. But we're at Blake's Big Apple. It was fun. Got a little scared. Got to shoot some zombies with paintballs. But I tried to record that. It didn't work because it wasn't bright enough. You'll just see a little bit of the flames at the end there. But yeah. So enjoy the little bit that's left of this video. So not too bad, scare-wise. Now we're gonna go shoot zombies. Or we're ready to shoot zombies. I don't. Do you think I'll be able to record on there? I guess I'll just have to listen to the rules. Wait, hoping for the truck. Hoping for the truck. I think we're gonna get a tractor to shoot zombies out of. I think you're right.
That's a freaking tractor.
That's a little baby tractor too. How come we eat the wimpiest thing out here?
Dang it! Zombie farm.
That's upsetting.
What was everybody's thoughts on Zombieland?
That's pretty fun.
Other than the fact that it's what, almost midnight. Pretty good.
Are they bored?
More zombies would be interesting. And I don't know if you could see anything on the video that I took because it's really dark.